ebiragiro bisya n'emitango y'ebyiruka ahamuhanda erikuza kuba negabwa za kamera ningashi electronic penalty system byanjulirwa bebembezi b'ebyiruka omu kyanga ekya Bunyoro.
I come driving at 60 kilometers per hour as a road user, and this for me is the recommended speed according to the signage. And yet the camera gives me a ticket saying either I'm driving at a wrong speed or I've committed a crime. So what we have done is to ensure what we are proposing, that there should be a synchronization between the camera and the posted speeds that are on the roads.
Susan Kataike oriyo mugambirizi w'ekitongole ky'ebyemirimo n'engyenda nashoborera ebiragiro bisya ngo nibyenda omuntu abe nashashura omutango gw'emitwaro 20 yahenda ebiragiro by'amuhanda omu 2008 okutanaho hati obwabire nashashurira mu 3.
Jukira nti fine eno waliyo inagisasulira mu naku 3 oba mu ssaawa 7 mu 2. Kati we twakitunulira etugamba nti abantu abasinga abakozi omusaala bagufuna luvannyuma lwa mwezi. Kati omuntu bw'ona omufayininga kati tajja ayinza okufuna obuzibu okukola ki okusasula fayini eno. So ne tugamba nti katuzeeyo.
Osborn tumwine oriyo mupoliisi ahanguto omuli bulisa nagira ngu za butanduze yonjire ahabwo butashoma bupande bwa mihanda.
We as enforcement officers, we are also taking interest in knowing who are these people who organize those road signs.
Identification and verification of motor vehicles, and to reduce the workload that is placed on the people that are manning the system. We also identified all the system errors, the ones that I had mentioned before, and forwarded them to the ICT subcommittee to be addressed.
Reporter ya polisi neyoleka ngo mu mwaka 2025 ngo za butando zitwira abantu ahanguto ni nyingi kandi zikaziriyo mutwaro gumwe 13,553 gashakwa ni wagaba Ambrose Katoto.